MYP eAssessment mathematics focuses on 6 core areas: numbers and sequences, where students explore patterns in numerical reasoning; algebra, which builds skills in equations and symbolic thinking; functions, showing how variables relate through graphs and models; geometry, connecting shapes and measurements to real-life design; trigonometry, applying angle relationships to practical problems; and statistics and probability, helping students analyze data and make informed decisions. Together, these topics develop strong mathematical understanding, reasoning, and real-world application skills required for MYP eAssessment success. Welcome to the Secure Template. Kick off your video by introducing the topic. What's this session about and why it matters? In the MYP eAssessment mathematics paper, the total score is 100 marks, with each criterion weighted equally at 25 marks. Tasks 1 to 5 assess criterion A and C, contributing 30 to 35 marks. Tasks 6 and 7 focus on criterion D and C, again worth 30 to 35 marks. The final task 8 assesses criterion B and C, also carrying 30 to 35 marks. Together, all criteria combine to form a balanced 100-mark assessment, testing knowledge, reasoning, communication, and real-world application. This is how our 90-minute MYP mathematics lecture is designed, fully assessment-driven. First 60 minutes. We focus on criterion A and C, building strong concepts, solving exam-style questions, and writing clear mathematical steps. Next 15 minutes. We shift to criterion D and C, applying maths to real-life scenarios, interpreting data, and justifying answers. Final 15 minutes. We train criterion B and C, exploring patterns, testing relationships, and thinking like an investigator. Every minute is aligned to the MYP eAssessment. This is our online practice assessment, designed exactly like the MYP eAssessment. 2 hours, 100 marks, set in the global context. Identities and relationships. Students apply mathematics to real-life situations, investigate patterns, justify their reasoning, and clearly communicate their thinking. Every question is aligned with criteria A, B, C, and D. So students don't just practice maths, they practice exam success. Our homework is not random. It's fully assessment-driven. Students receive up to 3 hours of structured homework, 2 hours for criterion A and C, 30 minutes for criterion D and C, and 30 minutes for criterion B and C. All homework is assigned through the Google system. Submissions are automatically tracked, with auto follow-ups for incomplete work. Once submitted, students receive direct feedback, and marks are instantly shared with parents. Clear, transparent, and exam-focused. This is how we turn practice into measurable progress. At our academy, progress is tracked with precision, not assumptions. Every assessment result is automatically analyzed. Across MYP criteria A, B, C, and D, the system identifies strengths, learning gaps, and growth areas instantly. Students receive targeted feedback and guided revision plans based on their results. Parents receive clear marks, progress reports, and performance comparisons directly through the Google system. This data-driven approach ensures focused improvement, transparent communication, and steady progress toward MYP eAssessment success.